Alright, now we're going to do some movies and television series. What's not cool? Michael Jackson's video. Greatest hits. Who likes child molesters? I don't. Peter Pan. Anyone in leotards is not cool. Except Spider-Man. He was cool. Who the fuck is Nickelback? But they're pretty cool, I'm gonna have to admit. Not! Okay. Now, some series that are good. South Park, very good show. Family Guy, also a very good show. Probably like the greatest movie ever in existence. Whoa, it's a Borat. Very good, very cool, very cool. And hey look, it's Wayne's World, totally cool, extreme close-up! Awesome movie, awesome.
Okay, now we're going to talk about cool and uncool ways to wear your clothes. See, Anton right now, he's wearing his clothes pretty cool right now. You know, average, same old. But one way to not wear your clothes is to tuck in your shirt, like so. See, it's really kind of nerdy right now. And also not to pull your pants up too high, like so. You see all the, you know, tightness around the ass area. It's not very cool. Pretty nerdy right now. But then again, you could also wear your clothes too low, like pulling your pants down so you see all your boxers, like so. You see, it's not cool at all. Oh, okay, wardrobe malfunction, cut the cameras.
Friends you can play video games with are cool.
Yes! Fuck this game! Fuck you, fuck your dog, fuck your mom, fuck your weight bench, fuck whatever the stand on the fucking camera, fuck all those shit CDs. Fuck you!
That's Anton. Best buddy.
Friends who try and kill you are not cool.
Now watch as I be not cool by asking Anton a billion questions.
Hey Anton, what's up?
Nothing.
What are you doing?
I'm on the computer.
Why? You on the internet?
Yeah.
Why are you on the internet? Researching anything? Playing any games?
You shut up.
Talking to people?
Fuck off.
In a conversation?
Fucking
Talking to your girlfriend? Talking to your...
Here at the Basement Monkeys, we think that slow motion is super cool. Here's some clips of us, slow motion.
Okay, so that's what the Basement Monkeys think is cool and what's not cool. And if you don't agree with us, then fuck you.